All right, guys, good morning. We got ourselves a main tap to do today. System hasn't been ran in a couple years. Other company found the main tap leak and said, we ain't digging that deep. So got a hold of us, so pulling out the hydrovac. She ain't pretty, but she does dirty work. It's an older gentleman and his son is coming into town, so I said his son's a really good cook and I'm all about some good food. So to interrupt their weekend or their day as little as possible, I went ahead and glued up their ball valve for their tap. Hopefully it's the right length. That way I can just take out the old tap, put the new one in. I did grab some CTS because this is an older curb stop. That way if I gotta add a coupling in there, I can add a coupling. So we're all set, waiting on Wyatt, always waiting on Wyatt, and we'll get to work. All right, here's this curb stop. We already started digging a little. Go ahead and turn it on here. Here's our leak coming. Right there. So I don't know if it's a broken pipe or the bleeder screw or the blowout screw is what it is, but let this fill up, actually make the hydrovac have to work a little less, and get down to there. All right, we're running, filling up. Time to get blasting a little bit here. All right, Wyatt, go ahead and turn that valve on here. We'll see what's going on. A lot of tree roots. You gotta go the other way, bud. There you go. Now you're gonna get on it. There you go. I think you're going the right way the first time. Right at the valve, okay. All right, go ahead and shut it off. Oh, and the PVC was cracked too, huh? All right. So that's that. We got this big old cast iron thing out of here. Weighed about 50 pounds. So I think we might have to go under the culvert though to get to this one. We'll see. All right, we're all back together. Gonna get our culvert set, but all back together. You can't see down there, but anyways, water's on to the house and no leaks. Get down in here. No leaks. We're gonna flush water into the system just so our glue don't get too hot, and I'll turn it on tomorrow once the full cure time's set. And we'll backfill, get a little clip of that, make it look all pretty, and probably show the system run. But that'll be tomorrow. All right, there she is in all her glory. New main tap.